July of the month. I am Jan Nemec. This is the REDRUM Balanced Leech. Start here with a 90-degree jig hook. This happens to be a size 6, kind of an extra heavy. I'm gonna quickly put on a foundation here. We'll load our straight pin, cone head, and ruby glass bead just back behind the eye. We'll just check real quick if it's balanced properly. Just gonna look with my whip finisher here. You can see I hang just right under the indicator. Right. Marabou tail. You need about the length of the body. Take it all the way up here. Try to keep that body nice and consistent. Next we're going to add in our angel hair. That'll be down both sides. Pretty sparse. Definitely not real heavy. I'm going to cut that a little bit longer than tail so you just kind of get that extra flash. Next up is going to be our dubbing loop. And in that we have black Angora goat with red angel hair cut short, blended, kind of keeping that black and flashy red. Pick that out. Whip finisher is great for tons of things. Definitely one of them is picking those guys out. Alright, I'm going to try to not wrap these too terribly close just so we get some of that red thread through. Push this off. Whip finish. Is our REDRUM Balanced Leech.